اقرأ أخيا ورتل القرآن اصدح بصوتك اسمع الأكوان.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
This is your second robotic kit. I know you are very excited to know which instrument are present inside the box to make the electric air pump. So let's start. Look, this is the label. Labels are present inside it. These labels you have to use to label it different instrument inside the box. First I will introduce the instruments. Then we will label it. This is pump. Then after that, two wires are joined together by connector. One more wire is present. This is electric switch. This is 9-volt battery. This is electric motor. These are balloons. Then this is upper lid. This is lower lid. Now see, this is the storage tank. On it barometer is, I have just labeled by the barometer. This is the barometer and this generally it is used in the industries for the larger scale or to measure the atmospheric pressure. And here I have just already stuck the label of ICRA. Then what you have to do, you have to fill this name, class, division, and you have to label here which is given here, the double tape, and you have to stick on it so that we will easily differentiate whose actually air pump it is. So label it properly. So now the next one, we have to connect all together to make the air pump. So first of all we will take the electric motor. This is electric motor. This is pump. We will attach both. This is attached one. In this manner you have to attach both together. Then after that you have to take the storage tank. This is your storage tank. See, here hole is there. We have to pass out this pump to outside from this hole. So let's start to pass it. See the arrangement carefully, how it is arranged properly. Then take the connector. This is the connector where the two wires are connected together. Then from that two wires you have to connect one wire to the electric motor. So in this way you have to connect here this wire to the electric motor, insert it properly and move this. After this, take this battery. It is a 9-volt battery and this is the connector. Here two attachments are there, smaller and bigger one. So fix it here also, smaller and bigger one are there. So you have to fix it accordingly. So it will fix like this way. As you can see, the connector with a battery by inserting the small hole into the bigger and the bigger to the smaller. Now this battery we will put into the storage tank. See, this is upper lid. On it one hole is present. This is to fix the electric switch. Take the electric switch. Then see it carefully. Here one nut is present. Remove it like this. Then here hole is there. Pass into it like this. And from the other side this nut fixed on it. And move the nut in a clockwise direction. Now, in this way, fix it tightly. This is our another wire. Now we are going to attach one side to the electric motor right here. In this way, and another side to the electric switch like this. Oops, now see here, one wire remain. Nothing. What we can do about this wire? Yes, here one connection remain on the electric switch. Now obviously we will connect this wire to the electric switch like this here. Now all the wires are connected. Now we will take this lid and fix on the storage tank. The lower lid in the same manner like upper lid. As soon as I will press the button, one sound is generated and air will flow from the pump. Now the fact behind that is when electric switch is turned on, the current will start flowing and converting into the sound we are hearing. Let me show you a demo. Let's take this balloon, switch on the button. See the balloon, how nicely it is blowing. Isn't it so exciting that now you have your own an electric air pump at home to blow the balloon? Go and try.
Let's study few questions robotics subject. Here few questions are there. You have to answer. So let's start with the first question. What is the common function of different air pump? Answer. A bicycle pump is used to push air. Aquarium air pump is used to aerate the aquarium or to supply oxygen. Gas compressor is used to power a pneumatic tool. Vacuum cleaner or a vacuum pump is used to encourage a fire or to increase the level of the fire. Next question. Where does Allah describe the air in Quran?
والمرسلات عرفا فالعاصفات عصفا والناشرات نشرا.
Next question. What is the Arabic name for air?
الهواء.
Different gases present in air? Answer. Different gases present in air are carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxygen, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen, and other gases such as neon and hydrogen are present in the air. Next question. When air is released into water? Answer. When we will release air in water, bubbles will generate in the water. Next question. Name few companies which produce air pump in India. Answer. Number 1 Atlas Copco, number 2 Siemens, number 3 Sulzer, number 4 Senco, number 5 DeWalt, and number 6 Bosch. These are the few companies which produce air pump in India. Next question. Why balloons burst when large amount of air is filled in it? Answer. The balloon burst because pressure exerted by the gas on the walls of the balloons. Next question. What is the difference between air and wind? Answer. Air is mixture of different gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen, etc. And wind is movement of air caused by the uneven heating of the earth by the sun. Next question. Which are the types of air pump? Answer. Number 1, industrial air pump. Number 2, cycle air pump. Number 3, balloon air filling electric air pump. Number 4, air mattress pump. Number 5, car tire air pump. Number 6, fish tank air pump. Next question. What is the price of electric air pump? Generally, it range between 368 rupees. Depend on the quality. Next question. Who invented vacuum pump? Answer. Vacuum pump invented Otto von Guericke. Next question. What is the price of cycle pump? Do you know? Answer. In a range of 179 to 310 rupees. According to variety and type, the price will depend. Next question. Who invented bicycle pump? In or around 887 by John Boyle Dunlop of Scotland had been invented bicycle pump. Next question. Why air pump used in fish tank? Answer. Fishes are living things. They need oxygen to live. To maintain an adequate concentration of oxygen in fish tank, air pump is used. Next question. What is the principle of working of air pump? Answer. When the piston is pulled up, air gets sucked into the pump through the inlet. The pump chamber depressurizes as it fills with air. When the piston is forced down, the air becomes compressed and closes the inlet. Then the air flows out from the outlet. This type of principle of air pump is generally followed or used in the large scale industry where the air pump is large in size and the product is also large. So in industrial area, this type of air pumps are used. So here we have completed few questions. I hope you enjoyed the questions.